Spider silk. Thread for thread, it is stronger than steel, and a spider spins it from nothing but the food it eats. That silk, and the muscle flexing in your hand as you hold this, are made of the same kind of stuff, and it goes further than you'd think. Which starts with a plain question. What actually does the work inside a living body? Almost anything you can name a body doing, a protein is doing it. Silk and muscle, yes, but also the hair, the nails, the tendon, the skin. Proteins carry oxygen through your blood and speed up the reactions that break down your lunch. If life is a workshop, proteins are very nearly the whole toolbox. So a cell doesn't keep just one. It builds thousands of different proteins, each one a tool shaped for a different job. And that's the puzzle worth opening up. How do you build thousands of different tools from one small set of parts? Every protein is a chain. The links are little molecules called amino acids, and living things build all of it from just 20 of them. Strung in a row, 20 kinds of link can spell an almost endless number of sequences, the way a handful of letters spells every word in a language. And the order is written from a gene, one letter at a time. But a chain lying flat does nothing. The moment it's made, it folds, twisting and collapsing onto itself into one precise 3D shape, the same shape every time for the same sequence. And that shape is the whole secret. Look a little closer, and it tells you exactly what the protein can do. Shape is function. A folded protein has pockets and surfaces cut to fit one partner, like a key filed for one lock. An enzyme cradles the very molecule it splits, an antibody grips one invader, a muscle protein changes shape to pull. Which makes the shape the weak point too. Heat it or upset its chemistry, and the chain unfolds, it denatures, and the work simply stops. That's an egg turning solid in the pan, and it's why a high fever is dangerous. Break the shape, and you break the machine. From a thread of spider silk to the danger of a fever, it's one idea followed all the way down, a line of amino acids folded into a shape, and that shape doing a job. Proteins are the machines that life quietly builds itself from.